Let me show you how I
and add some shadows. Set the foreground color to white and add some highlights. Go into layers, create a new layer, press B to select the brush tool and create a dot. Select it, hit Ctrl T and adjust the size. Place it right over here, bring down the fill, and there you go. Add a PNG image, add a drift image which you can simply Google it, place it below a main subject. Hold Ctrl and take a selection of your subject. Select the drip image and create a layer mask. Select the subject, right click and create a clipping mask. Press Ctrl J to duplicate it. Hold Ctrl and take a selection of the drip image. Press M to select the marquee tool, right click and select inverse. Select the subject, create a layer mask. Press B to bring up the brush tool. Make sure the foreground color is black and erase it from the unnecessary areas. And there you go. Add the image that you want. Select the text tool and type in the text. Select the image, hit Ctrl J to duplicate it, put it on top of the text. Go into select subject, create a layer mask, right click and create a clipping mask. Go into effects, add top shadow. Select the color from the shadows of the image. Set the opacity to 100, distance 0, spread 0 and size to 100. Hit OK and there you go.